Grand Rising. So today I want to talk about the spiritual journey. So whenever you understand that you're a spiritual being and you're just having a human experience, you're going to have to realize that those people around you may not be on the same journey. The timing is just going to be a little bit different. It may be you that wakes up your family members, your friends, your co-workers. But ultimately, everybody's going to have this personal experience. So you chose when you were going to have this experience before you even came here on this 3D world. So whenever you understand this and you comprehend that, it's your mindset, your thoughts, your imagination, your feelings. Once you know that this is creating your reality, sometimes you want to share it with other people. But these people are not ready for it, You can't throw pearls to swine.